welcome to another video on #AllyFriend. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make monster brownie bites. Today I'm here with Sugar and Spice and Everything DIY.
Hi! And we will be decorating our little brownie bites. She will be doing a cobweb, she will be doing an eyeball, and I will be doing So right now we have baked our brownies. It doesn't matter if they are from a box or if you homemade them. And you want to cut them into little pieces like this because eventually later you'll be rolling them up into little balls. And we will link all of the measurements down below in the ingredients. So first you're going to melt some dark chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl.
And you're also going to melt white chocolate.
In two separate bowls, microwave safe. So let's do that. That's a good idea. Okay, so we've got our chocolates melted. And you just take the brownie, roll it into a ball, and then plop it in here and mix it around a fork and kind of like stab it. And put it on waxing paper or parchment paper. And then design it however you need to design it. You can take little baggies and cut the tips off and put chocolate and stuff in there, whatever you need to do. But right now we're going to be designing our little brownies into our designs what we chose. So let's get started on that.
Put it in the freezer for 15 minutes. Now we're going to be decorating. You decorate the eyeball. First, place your Skittle and you're going to squash it under your bowl. Now we're going to use the white icing. And then stick it onto your eye. And then take the chocolate icing and you're going to make the pupil.
This is how you make the cobweb.
We'll do a little dollop on top, and then a small circle around it, and then a larger circle around the smaller circle.
Then
And then you take a toothpick. And go down.
Yummy.
And then you get that. So for this one is a little more complicated. You take your chocolate brownie and then you actually have to like carve a little hole or rectangular shape at the top for a bit of graham cracker. Just get all of that out and then get your graham cracker, kind of stick it in, measure it. Then you take your chocolate over here and then take a graham cracker and write R. It's a horrible R. I. P. You know what I'm doing. It doesn't quite.
It's so surprising.
Then just stick it in there. And then it was supposed to turn out like this. Yeah.
don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, and turn on notifications to see her latest videos.
Yes, and the link to Sugar and Spice and Everything DIY is down in the description.
And make sure to comment on what you're going to be for Halloween.
Adios!